Alright, so you're welcome. This is chapter 1, and our topic is introduction, meaning, and definition of customer relationship management. Introduction, meaning, and definition of CRM. So most of the time in this class, I'm going to be using the word CRM. The CRM I mean is customer relation management. Okay, so there are some things I will not be saying the full statement. I will just be telling you CRM is this, CRM is that. Please know that when I say CRM, I mean customer relationship management. Okay, all right. So under this topic, we are going to look at the below subject of discussion. We are going to look at the meaning of CRM. What is CRM? Okay, when we finish that, we are going to look at the need for CRM. Okay, after that, we are going to look at the component of customer relationship management. The component of customer relationship management. When we finish that, we will look at framework for one-to-one marketing in relation to CRM. Framework for one-to-one marketing in relation to CRM. In relation to what? CRM. Okay? Then after that, we look at building loyalty. How do we build customers to get loyal to our firm? Building loyalty. And after that, we'll concentrate on good customer relationship. Okay, how do we form good? Okay, before then, we'll look at